So we all know about Blogger. It's been the tool of choice for bloggers and aspiring writers online for decades now. But times have changed, and blogging isn't so much a hobby as it is a serious career. With rigid features and limited scalability, the question is this: is Blogger still the best choice on the market? And if not, what is? Lucky for you, I've put together 7 alternatives you can use to make your blog bigger and better than Blogger. Well, the good news is that there are plenty of options out there for your new blog, and I have hand-tested each and every one that I'm going to show you today. But first, before I get started with all that, what exactly happened to Blogger? Blogger has been around since 1999, and after getting bought out by Google a few years later, the iconic Blogspot domain would rule the world of online publishing for years to come. Still, Blogger was made solely for writing and blogging. It uses a fixed layout to showcase the most recent blog posts as your homepage. And for many professionals, that just wasn't enough. If you wanted to turn your blog into a real website with different types of pages, you really only had 2 options: learn to code or hire a pro. No wonder then that without third-party app integrations or customer support, Blogger's influence would slowly wane during the 2010s. And the solution? Try something new. When it comes time for you to choose a new platform for your blog, you need to make sure that it not only fulfills your technical needs, but offers real support too. But most of all, you need to be able to make money. So with that in mind, let's get started with our number 1 pick. Zyro is a platform that lets you create not only a blog, but a fully fledged website on top. Cheap and easy to use from building your site to launching it, the whole process only takes a couple of minutes. Use one of the pre-made designer templates to save time and customize it however you like. Better yet, all Zyro blogs are totally adaptable to any screen size, so your blog will still look great on mobile and tablet devices. Zyro's drag-and-drop grid editor makes it super easy to use. Pick an element and snap it into place with just a few clicks. Before you know it, you'll be looking at a pixel-perfect design and be ready to get back down to actually doing some writing. Not only are Zyro blogs great, but they're SEO optimized too. They load fast, and with a 99.9% uptime, you'll be ranking on Google in no time. Zyro is a premium service, but it does come with plenty of great features when you subscribe. Those premium plans start at just $1.30 per month, and Zyro offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. At that price, there is little to lose by giving it a go. So, chances are you've already heard of WordPress. WordPress is the biggest blogging platform in the world. In fact, 30% of all the world's websites are actually powered by WordPress. With dozens of personalizable themes, team functionality, and full support on mobile devices, there's a reason it's the most popular option on this list. Still, if you're new to WordPress, you might find the dashboard to be a little daunting at first. And while it's true that this might feel like a lot of options on day 1, you should still get the hang of it pretty quickly. Honestly, while WordPress isn't quite as intuitive right out of the box as Zyro, the classic block editor really doesn't require any technical know-how to use. Just pick the block you need and customize it however you like. You can even edit and publish your blog posts on the go with a WordPress mobile app. WordPress Personal clocks in at $4 a month, and the premium subscription are $8. While those looking to make a business out of their WordPress site will want to consider the business package for $25 a month. It includes custom plugins, themes, and access to that all-important 24/7 live customer support. Yes, it's WordPress again, but this time the self-hosted version. What does self-hosted mean? Essentially, you will have to sign up for WordPress hosting to use it. Plus, it requires you to already have a registered custom domain. An open-source content management system, self-hosting lets you build your blog and manage it however you want. It's perfect for those who want creative freedom and a challenge too. With the right web design and coding skills, self-hosting gives you the freedom to build your blog from scratch. If not, you can still choose from the almost endless pool of free and paid themes available. Unlike regular WordPress, you can monetize your blog right away since you have total ownership. But be aware that you'll need to be hands-on when managing it. backing up data, checking for updates, optimizing security, and more. Still, it is 100% free to use, and for a lot of bloggers out there, this is the real WordPress. This is one for the true wordsmiths out there. If you're not into design and simply want to write, Medium is a great option. It's a free platform that has really taken off in the last couple of years due to a large volume of users, clean interface, and intuitive user journey. With Medium, you can start blogging instantly. The platform boasts 100 million monthly readers, and the majority of people writing on the platform are professionals. So if you want to level up your blog, Medium is the place to be. The feedback on Medium is a big plus too. Real-time engagement stats let you know exactly how your content is performing. The better your work is doing, the more likely Medium is to feature it, bringing things to a whole new audience. If you take Medium seriously, there's a chance to get in on the Medium Partner Program. Essentially, this is a group of high-level content creators that Medium will recommend to all their customers, and you will get a monthly cut of the money. Next up, Ghost. This open-source content management system is really versatile, but like other self-hosted options, you will need to have your own custom domain. Ghost is coded in something called Node.js, so you'll need to make sure that your hosting provider supports that. Sign up is quick, but be aware that you will have to pay to use this platform. The basic pack for Ghost starts at $29 per month and comes with a free .ghost.io subdomain to tide you over before you go custom. Ghost has a lot of nice features for that price, including team collaboration with assigned user roles, built-in SEO, seamless third-party app integrations, and AMP support too. The platform's primary focus is content creation, and you will find that the Ghost editor is super clean and distraction-free. Pretty much every Ghost blog comes out looking great. In the end, this platform strikes a really nice balance between customization and web design know-how. It's one of those places where a little bit of experience will really take your blog a long way. Tumblr. Sure, you might have an idea in your head about Tumblr already, but it really is a powerful blogging platform. It's a perfect fit for expressive bloggers who like to post interactive content, while experts can actually also use this platform to showcase their work and turn their blog into a legitimate portfolio. Tumblr itself works a little differently than the other platforms on this list. You can follow blogs based on topics you're interested in and gain followers quickly if other users find your content interesting. The community format can make it easy for your blog to gain traction very quickly. The dashboard has features for uploading a lot of different content: texts, photos, quotes, links, chats, audios, and videos. It even works as a feed where you can see the latest content from blogs you follow. One great thing about Tumblr in particular is the social style comment, share, like, and reblog features. You can even include hashtags on your posts, and prominent Tumblr blogs get a lot of engagement. In terms of appearance, it's really up to you. Tumblr is highly customizable. Choose a free or paid theme from the library and personalize it to your liking. Better yet, create your own design if you've got the HTML and CSS skills. There's a developer center and forum pages where you can access the platform's documentation and join discussions for help. Finally, Jekyll. Jekyll will require you to get a little bit more technical, but if you can get past that aspect, then the payoff is huge. It's a place where the magical transformation of plain text files and markdown syntaxes to blog posts happens. Still, this is where things get a little sticky. So you can host your blog on GitHub pages for free with a free .github.io subdomain. But this will be mapped onto the username you choose, so pick wisely. After that, to use Jekyll, you will have to install it locally by running command lines on Mac OS's terminal or Windows Ruby. Yes, this platform does come with a real learning curve for beginners, but the instructions are fairly clear to follow. If you do make the effort, you'll be rewarded with a platform that is simple, lightweight, and secure. So it's time to make a verdict, and to be honest, it wasn't easy. All these platforms have a bunch of pros and cons that you'll need to consider in relation to your own needs. For me, after trying everything on the list myself, I have to say that Zyro comes out on top. The sheer affordability of this platform is unmatched, and even though I have plenty of experience using blogging tools in the past, I was really impressed with just how intuitive the drag-and-drop editor was to use. Sure, it can offer everything you can get on a WordPress, but for me and the majority of people out there, I think in terms of bang for the buck and effective usability. This platform, while new, is destined for big things. Try it out yourself and you'll see just how simple it is to make your new blog. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments what you think. For me, it has to be Zyro, but maybe something else stood out for you, or maybe I even missed a great platform that you'd like to see me cover in the future. Either way, I want to know.